Do you all know what's actually exhausting as a parent? Not cooking, not packing lunch boxes, not even the school projects. It's repeating the same thing every single day. Brush your teeth, finish your homework, keep your shoes properly, drink water, stop screen time, sleep early. And after a point, you stop feeling like a parent. You start feeling like a broken Alexa device nobody listens to. One day I got tired of shouting reminders, so instead we made habits visible. Tiny daily checkboxes, simple goals, a small habit tracker on the wall. And something changed. My child started reminding themselves. Not perfectly, not even overnight, but slowly there were fewer arguments, fewer power struggles, and more responsibility. Because children don't hate discipline, they hate constant nagging. Sometimes what they need isn't another lecture, just a system they can feel proud following. And trust me, peace in a home often starts with fewer reminders.